Telluride, departure, runway 27. Airspeed's alive, gauges are green, annunciator is clear. We want 60 knots by the white captain's bars. Yeah, nope, this way with a foot, yep. Very good. Positive rate, gear flaps. Filch 120 knots, right away, no delay. Yep, right away. Yep. Now look at your rate of climb, make sure you got that which you need to get over that mountain out there. And give yourself some terrain here. Yep.
Contact LA Center 124.85.
So now how are you getting to your first waypoint?
Meter 40.
He said call center.
118.57.
He said straight out call center.
Okay, very good. I concur. Don't want to make any turns yet.
Meter 4271, roger. Descend at your discretion. Maintain 15,000.
Okay.
Denver Center, Meridian 388 Hotel Papa, off Telluride, passing through 10,500.
Pumps igniters, hot lights.
Hotel Papa, Denver Center, radar contact 3 miles west of the airport.
That was weird.
Meter 4271, descend at your discretion, maintain 15,000. Durango altimeter 30.
Well, he has to have you on radar before he can give you anything.
Yeah, he said we have got you 3 miles, whatever, of the airport.
Yeah, okay. And then what was your clearance?
My clearance was just to call him straight out.
No, that was an instruction. When he said cleared as filed.
Yeah, cleared as filed.
What did you file?
Filed to, well, let's write it here on my screen.
Okay.
Porgy.
All right, let's go then.
Commuter 4271, Denver.
Just confirm that's safe to turn right, I believe it is.
Yeah, it's black.
Yep, okay.
Commuter 4271, descend at your discretion, maintain 15,000. Durango altimeter 3022.
Okay. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off.
4271, thank you.